Welcome back again. In the previous lecture, I was talking about type assignment. I also told you that there are two types of type assignment, explicit and implicit. So in our example, I have declared three variables along with the type. So I have declared the variable with the variable name, and also I have specified the data type. So this type of declaration is called the explicit type assignment. So this is called explicit type assignment. So there is another type which is implicit, where you don't have to mention or you don't have to write the data type explicitly. For example, if I declare another variable, for example, let first name, and I want to store a string in this variable, but I'm not specifying the data type like this. Instead, I will directly assign a string in that variable, for example, John. So this is called the implicit type assignment. So you can specify the data type, or you can just omit the data type or write in a faster or simpler way, and there is no rules, or there is no regulation, or there is no explicit rules that you should always declare the data types or you should avoid them. There is no such rule. It's up to you. You can declare a variable with its data type, or you can simply omit the data type and assign the value just like that. And TypeScript compiler will automatically determine the type of this variable whenever we first assign the first value to this variable. And if we want to make sure that this is actually string, then we can check the type of this variable. So inside this lock function, I can type a special keyword which is type of, and then we can put the variable name like first name. So this will print the data type of this variable. I can run now, and you see that this is actually string. We can clear the console by clicking this button, so this will clear the console. In this way, implicit assignments forces TypeScript to infer the value. So remember one thing: whenever you assign the first value, whether it is explicitly or implicitly, the next time you assign another value to the same variable, you have to assign the same value or the same type of value. For example, first name, when I declared this variable, I have assigned a string. So next time, if you want to assign another value for the same variable, first name, so I am assigning another value for this first name. So I am not declaring another variable, or I am not creating another variable. I am just using the same variable, and now I am giving a different name, say Andrew. So we can do that. Whenever you declare a variable using this let keyword and assign a value, you can also assign other values in the runtime or in later stages. But remember, whatever value or type you have put in the first place, you have to put the same type in the consecutive time. So I just cannot assign or put another type of data in this variable. For example, I cannot assign a number in the first name, and it clearly says, if I put my cursor over this variable, it says type number. That means this one. Type number is not assignable to type string. So I cannot assign a number to a variable of type string. So you have to put the same data over and over again whenever the type is inferred by the TypeScript implicitly, or you explicitly define the type for that variable.